We're fishing for smallmouth bass. Try that ripple right there. I just hope there are gonna be some fish here, man. There we go. There we go, buddy. There we go. That's for the day, buddy. Of course, we're not recording. It's so beautiful, man. Oh yeah, baby. That's a big baby. That's baby. Oh yeah, baby. That's a big one. Oh, that's a big one, baby. Oh man, that's a big one. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, just take your time, man. Take your time. This guy's big. Woo. Alright, man. Alright, buddy. Oh my. Finally. It's a big one, man. Woo. This is like a probably another 15 inches back. That is big though. Compared to my elbow. That's beauty, man. Whew. That's beautiful. Right. Oh, that is a tank, man. Ooh. Hold on. I want to take a look at you, man. Hold on, buddy. There's a tank, man. It's like 15 inches. Probably, yeah. 15, 17. Alright, man. Look at that beautiful. Look at this beautiful fish, man. Alright, man. You ready to go, buddy? You ready to go, buddy? Alright, buddy. Go ahead, buddy. There you go. There's another one, baby. Another fish, baby. Oh, yes, baby. Little one. It's okay. I'll take it, man. It's a little one. I'll take it. Little one, buddy. After probably about an hour of fishing, finally got some fish. There we go, buddy. I don't know this. Smallmouth bass? Largemouth? I don't know. Let me take a look at it properly. That's a fish, dude. That's a fish, dude. Is that a big one or a small one? I don't know. It's a small one. It's a small one. It's okay. Take it. Take it, man. Oh, I thought that was a trout for a second. Ain't a trout. That's not a trout. That's not a trout. It's just a decent size. Alright, man. Oh, he popped up, man. Man, that was pretty cool, man. That's a fish, baby. That's a fish, baby. Right away, baby. He hit it right away, man. Little one. It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. Alright. Okay, buddy. Is that a fish? Yes, that's a fish, baby. That's a fish, baby. Woo, that's a big one too, I think. Big one too. Ooh. That was a fish. Ooh, there's a northern pike. Northern pike. What are you doing, buddy? Damn. That's a northern pike, man. How am I gonna get it? This guy off. I really need to go to. That's a northern pike, man. How come? That's weird. You don't normally get northern pike here. Alright, Mr. Northern Pike. Fishing up here. Mr. Northern Pike, baby. Pike, baby. Pike. Baby. Northern Pike, baby. I'm gonna have to use my plier, man. This guy. Your teeth. Go, buddy. We good. Hello, buddy. It's a beautiful northern pike. Alright. It's a beautiful northern pike. Oh, keep getting snagged with these.